What do you think rain is made of?
Water.
Rain is made of water. So what we're going to do to make sure we can see our rain is we're going to color our water blue. I'm going to do this part because if it gets on your clothes, it's going to have a hard time washing out. So I'm going to stir in some blue. We'll do one. Look how cool that is. Can you see it?
Can you see it?
Should we do one more drop?
Yeah.
Two.
Two.
All right.
That's it.
That looks so cool. All right, now we're going to use one of these. It's called a pipette. And we're going to stir it up so all...
Blue.
Sit on your bottom.
Blue.
What color is it, Oliver?
It's blue.
It's blue now.
That's a
Okay.
pretty blue.
It is a pretty blue. I think 2 drops was perfect. You guys are very good at your colors.
Blue.
So what we're going to do is we're going to take this one. And this is going to be like our earth. What do you think the shaving cream is going to be?
Make melt.
It's
It's gonna melt. It might melt. Ready? I'm not ready.
You have to hold it up. There we go. Make a big
bigger.
cloud.
Big
Big,
cloud?
yep, big. Make it
Big,
big.
big, big,
There we
big,
go.
big. All right. What does it look like?
Whoa, look at how excited
look
you
like?
are.
Where does rain come from?
From cloud.
From a cloud. Emmy, what does this look like?
Clouds. Clouds.
Great.
Clouds.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take turns making our cloud super heavy with our blue rain so that it will rain down into the water that we can see through, into the clear water. So I'm gonna try not to spill. I'm
Uh-oh.
very messy and sometimes I make mistakes, but is that okay?
Mistakes are okay.
So what we're gonna do, I'm going to give everyone a little cup of blue water. And does anyone remember what this is called?
Say
It's kind of tricky. A pipette.
That's tricky.
Can you say pipette?
Pipette.
And what you're gonna do, I'm gonna show you first just a little bit. So here's my blue rain. And we're gonna drop it onto the cloud. Is it raining yet? Do you see any rain down here? Do you see any blue rain?
Not yet.
Not yet. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep squeezing our blue water. So Adela, you can squeeze some. And we're gonna see how much we have to squeeze before it rains.
Remember, squeeze the top.
Squeeze the top. Squeeze. Here. Squeeze. And then let go. And there's your rain.
Okay, put it on top of the cloud.
Can you put it on the cloud? And squeeze again. Is it raining from Adela yet?
Not
All
yet.
right, should we give Bray a turn?
Yeah, no kidding.
All right, Bray, squeeze the top. Squeeze the top. Squeeze. There you go. Take it up. Then put it over the cloud. And squeeze again. Squeeze. Is it raining?
Yeah.
Do you see any blue rain? Oh, our cloud is going to be so heavy. All right, let's give Devin a turn.
Here, Devin. Let's
Yeah.
do a new one because that one's got a little bit of
Yeah, it's
shaving
got
cream
some
on
cloud
it.
on it. Our cloud's wanting to play.
Thank you. Okay, squeeze the top.
Oh. Good job. All right, next.
Thank you, Devin.
Good job.
This was good squeezing.
Here, we'll use a new one that's a little bit brighter. Our next friend. Go. Squeeze. Oh. Squeeze. Get your rain up. Good job. Squeeze it onto the
Go
clouds.
ahead. That's it, Charlie.
Good job. All right. Pass it to Everly. All right, Everly.
Do we see any blue drops in there yet?
I don't
I
see
don't
any
think
rain
so. Squeeze the top. Oh, there you go.
Wow. There's still no blue rain.
Is it my turn?
Goodness. All right, next is Farah. Thank you, Everly.
Right
It's my
there.
turn. It's not your turn now. Yeah, where's the turn? Yeah, where's the turn? Another one.
That's
Try to
it.
go.
There you
Oh.
go.
Just a little bit more. There you go. Good job, Farah. I think we're gonna need a lot of rain to make our cloud heavy.
Maybe it's gonna be a thunderstorm. You think so?
All right.
Okay.
It's all of
Yeah.
us turn now.
Everly, you think it's a thunderstorm?
Let's give it Oh, she already got some for you, Oliver, if you
All
want to
right.
use that.
Oliver, let's see.
Squeeze.
Ooh, nice job.
Good job, Oliver. All right, now is Emmy's turn.
Good manners, Em.
What them dumping in there?
Yep.
Or them spill. You're gonna
Oh, you're
spill.
going to use that one?
We don't want to spill it. Then there'll be rain everywhere.
Come.
Emmy, just wait. There's no rain in there. Here, can I help you? So squeeze,
Okay, now squeeze it.
squeeze. Good job.
Any rain come through yet?
Oh, my goodness.
What do we?
I think Miss Nicole might have to help us a little bit.
Uh-oh. Should we see... Can I see this?
Let's see. Oh, let's see what happens.
This is a lot. Should we see if this is enough? Was it that
What
enough?
happened? Oh, do you guys see the rain coming down? Yeah. A little bit more like fog, but we did it. Look at
see
you guys are so
that picture.
excited.
We'll try to make it a little bit more rainy.
Little drops. There we go. Oh, you guys see it coming through?
Yeah.
Is the cloud getting heavier?
Yeah. She's excited.
Yay.
So do you think clouds need a lot of rain and a lot of water in order to rain on us?
Yeah.
They need so much water.